houses in India where larger families reside, they employ a full-time cook and all the meals are cooked. This means the cook spends substantial time near the sink and a lot of garbage is created and cleared every day. Since the storage under the sink has plumbing stuff, it is not a convenient place for decent storage. It is also not a good sight when all other parts of the kitchen are shelved and closed. We have designed a garbage disposal which consists of a stainless steel chute conveniently placed where all the garbage is put into and collected by a bucket for disposal. Lee. And finally I show you the whole kitchen whose planning is quite easy except for, what we said earlier, the complete management of the sink.